Hello everybody. This is a story that I want you to listen to. The story is told twice and then there are questions. Now let's listen to the story of Dustin, who is excited about his winter holiday. Dustin is excited for the winter holiday. He has some time off in the winter. He doesn't have to work for 2 weeks. He wants to go on vacation, but he doesn't know where to go. He wants to go to France, but France is expensive. The airplane tickets cost a lot. And Dustin doesn't speak French. He decides to study, save money, or stay home. Now let's listen to the same story told by Dustin. I am excited for the winter holiday. I have some time off in the winter. I don't have to work for 2 weeks. I want to go on vacation, but I don't know where to go. I want to go to France, but France is expensive. The airplane tickets cost a lot. And I don't speak French. I decide to study, save money, or stay home. Now let's look at some questions. Questions. Number 1. Dustin is excited for the winter holidays. Is Dustin excited? Yes, Dustin is excited for the winter holidays. Number 2. Dustin has time off in the winter. Does Dustin have free time in the winter? Yes, Dustin has time off in the winter. Number 3. Dustin wants to go on vacation. Does Dustin want to go stay home? No, Dustin does not want to stay home. He wants to go on vacation. Number 4. Dustin doesn't know where to go. Does Dustin know where to go? No, Dustin doesn't know where to go. Number 5. Dustin wants to go to France for his vacation. Does Dustin want to go to France? Yes, Dustin wants to go to France for his vacation. Number 6. France is expensive. Is France cheap? No, France is not cheap. France is expensive. Number 7. Dustin does not speak French. Does Dustin speak French? No, Dustin doesn't speak French. Number 8. Dustin decides to study French, save money, or stay home for vacation. Does Dustin decide to study French? Yes, he decides to study French, save money, or stay home for the vacation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us and don't forget like and comment.